Hi there, my name is Christy Childs. I'm so glad you have come to visit my page on Udemy. My story began as a single mom about 8 years ago online. Since then, I have built an email list of over 10,000 subscribers as a result of video marketing and product launching. I started with this marketplace as a newbie. It's called Clickbank. Clickbank has been very good to me. I've made thousands of dollars with Clickbank over the years. And getting that green Clickbank check in the mail every 2 weeks like clockwork, yeah, that's my favorite part. So, I know you're here because you want to learn more about how to make affiliate sales with Clickbank. Well, in this course, we're first going to talk about how to find a winning Clickbank product that is already selling and bringing in thousands of dollars for vendors and affiliates just like you. I'm going to show you the already done for you toolbox for one particular Clickbank product that I suggest you begin with, but I'm going to show you categories from thousands of products that you can choose from. I'm going to also show you how to make a quick YouTube video so that you can get unlimited YouTube traffic, visitors, and sales. Then I'm going to show you how to get that same YouTube video ranked super duper high with a free tool that you can find online. Then I'm going to show you an amazing bonus tip that some vendors use that can make all the difference between 0 sales and 100 sales. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and let's begin. Get ready, set, let's go.